Welcome to this enlightening video about Vajrakilaya, one of the most significant deities in Tibetan Buddhism. Vajrakilaya, known as Dorje Phurba in Tibetan, is a wrathful manifestation of Vajrasattva and represents the powerful force of compassion that destroys obstacles and negativity on the path to enlightenment. In this video, we will explore the rich iconography of Vajrakilaya as depicted in this beautiful sculpture, delve into the significance of his mantra, and uncover the traditional stories and legends associated with him in Tibetan and Nepali contexts. Iconography of Vajrakilaya. Vajrakilaya is depicted here in his wrathful form, surrounded by blazing flames symbolizing his purifying energy. Let's break down the intricate details. Faces and expressions. Vajrakilaya is shown with three faces, each representing different aspects of his power. The central face is wrathful, symbolizing his direct approach to dispelling negativity. The left face is peaceful, indicating compassion, while the right face displays a semi-wrathful expression, embodying balance. Each face has three eyes, representing omniscient awareness of past, present, and future. Arms and implements. Vajrakilaya is typically shown with 6 arms. In this image, the primary hands clasp the ritual dagger, the phurba or kila, a three-sided dagger that symbolizes the destruction of ignorance and the cutting through of delusion. The other hands hold various symbolic implements such as the vajra, thunderbolt, which represents indestructibility and compassion. Body and adornments. He is adorned with ornaments made of skulls, bones, and jewels, symbolizing his transcendence of the material world and victory over death. His body radiates a fiery glow, signifying his intense energy. Posture. Vajrakilaya stands in a dynamic posture of triumph, trampling on human and demonic forms, symbolizing the subjugation of ego and ignorance. Vajrakilaya is depicted in union with his consort, embodying the harmony of wisdom and compassion. This symbolizes the union of emptiness and form, a fundamental concept in Buddhist philosophy. The mantra of Vajrakilaya. The mantra associated with Vajrakilaya is Om Benza Kili Kilaya Sarva Bighanim Bam Hang Fat. Meaning, this powerful mantra invokes Vajrakilaya to remove obstacles, purify negativities, and protect the practitioner from inner and outer harms. Usage. Reciting this mantra is believed to bring swift purification and is particularly recommended for overcoming challenges in spiritual practice. It also helps in clearing karmic debts and strengthening one's connection to enlightened energies. Tibetan and Nepali stories of Vajrakilaya. Tibetan legends. In Tibetan Buddhism, Vajrakilaya holds a prominent place, particularly in the Nyingma tradition. Guru Padmasambhava, also known as Guru Rinpoche, is said to have mastered Vajrakilaya practices to overcome immense obstacles during the establishment of Buddhism in Tibet. According to legend, Padmasambhava used the phurba dagger to subdue powerful demonic forces, paving the way for the construction of Samye Monastery, the first Buddhist monastery in Tibet. Nepali context. In Nepal, Vajrakilaya is closely associated with Tantric Buddhism. He is revered as a deity who grants protection and blessings to those embarking on spiritual paths. In the Kathmandu Valley, intricate sculptures and Thangka paintings of Vajrakilaya reflect his importance in Newar Buddhist traditions. Local legends also describe Vajrakilaya as a guardian deity who protects sacred sites and practitioners from misfortune. Symbolism and practice. Vajrakilaya is not just a wrathful deity but a compassionate protector who aids practitioners in overcoming inner and outer challenges. His fiery form reminds us that transformation often requires intensity and focus. Devotees practice Vajrakilaya rituals to break through obstacles on their spiritual journey, particularly during critical junctures in meditation or life. Meditative visualizations. Practitioners visualize Vajrakilaya's fiery form burning away delusions and obstacles, leaving only the pure, radiant essence of enlightenment. The Furba dagger. Central to Vajrakilaya's iconography, the Furba is both a symbolic and ritual object. It embodies the cutting power of wisdom and is used in ceremonies to dispel negative energies and protect sacred spaces. In summary, Vajrakilaya embodies the fierce compassion needed to overcome life's obstacles and attain spiritual awakening. Through his iconic form, potent mantra, and rich cultural significance, Vajrakilaya continues to inspire and protect practitioners across the Himalayan Buddhist traditions. Whether you're seeking spiritual protection, purification, or inspiration, Vajrakilaya offers a profound path to transformation. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of Vajrakilaya. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights into Buddhist art, practices, and teachings. May Vajrakilaya's blessings clear your path to peace and enlightenment.